So do you want to wake up in the morning nice and rested? Well, the secret is going to bed with a really great, gentle night facial routine to really help restore the face and calm the nervous system for a really good night's sleep. Hi, I'm Ali. I've been a facialist for the last 8 years, and in today's video I'm really going to help you calm down everything down, calm the nervous system down, and a great very light facial massage, so we're removing toxins and waste within the lymph and also calming down the nervous system. So first things first, you want to start off with, obviously you've washed your face with clean skin and fingers, and I am using a facial oil. If you've got a night facial oil, that's fine, or even a night cream you can do this with, just so you've got kind of like a slip and glide. So just a couple of drops onto the fingers, just massaging into the palms, and just very gently apply all along the facial area, and not forgetting the neck. And then just very lightly massage in outwards motion. So taking our fingers here, we're just placing them literally between the eyebrows here, and we're just gently going to work in a round circular motion, nice and gentle. This will really help calm down the nervous system and is a great acupressure point. And then just working in the opposite direction. And then taking the fingers, just gently working our way upwards. Now you can take a couple of nice deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with oxygen as well to the neck and the head area. Placing our hands, interconnecting our fingers, we're now just gently gliding from the forehead horizontally towards the temples, nice and light. We're also moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is very close to the surface of the skin. And then with the ring finger, placing it between the eyes, just gliding above the eyebrows and then under the eyes where the bone is towards the temples. Keeping the rest of the face nice and relaxed. This will also help with any puffiness, any of those dark circles around the eyes as well. Not forgetting under the eyebrow towards the temples, working in outwards motion. And then taking the hands here, the fingers, and just gently massage in a very light, slow motion, circular motion on the temples. Again, calming everything down. Making sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed and the face is nice and relaxed as well. And then just massaging in the opposite direction. And then taking the fingers, just gliding now where the cheekbone is towards the temples. Nice, light, delicate touch. And whatever product you've placed on your skin is going to penetrate in even better with these very gentle facial lymphatic drainage massages, if you like. And we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is very close to the surface of the skin. And then just working from the side of the nose under the cheekbone towards the ears. And then we're just going to take our fingers here and just do a little bit of a round circular motion on the chin area, another great acupressure point. Circling one way and then the other. And then between the nose and the mouth, again, another great acupressure point. And we're going to do the same again. Circle in one way. And then in the opposite direction. And then taking the fingers from the jawline, lifting up and across. Lower part of the face. And last time. And then thumb placed under the chin, fingers as a hook, gliding all along the jawline, above and below, where we have plenty of lymph nodes. Moving everything towards the ears. All along. And last time. And then with the flat of the hand, placing one hand as an anchor on the collarbone, lifting up along towards the chin, and just slowly working our way along in an upwards motion towards the jawline. If you have a neck cream at this point, if you want to apply that instead, that's fine too. And then again, we just want to move from what we've lifted up under the jawline towards the ears. And then placing our fingers in front of the ears, just gently gliding either side of the ears here with the fingers, where we have lymph nodes, and then behind the ears. And then with one hand at a time, just gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we've just got some indentations just above. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses to release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the facial area into the body, ready for elimination. And then finally, just take our hands and just rub them together. And then just placing them over our eyes and our face. And just take a couple of deep belly breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. One last time. And slowly open the eyes, and then just gently take your hands away. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the nightly routine to really help you. So in the morning you wake up slightly more rejuvenated, less puffy-eyed, and hopefully with a bit more energy. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.